Good day everyone, welcome back to Not As Dope, and today we're taking a look at this right here. This is a Flymile Osmo Nano Quick Release for your Osmo Nano, as I said. And what's good about this little device, it's all metal, so which means you should have no issues when you hook it up to your Osmo Nano for whatever action you plan to shoot. Let's take a quick little look at this before I actually show you how this works. So it has a rubberized base right here, so it's not going to scrape or damage your device, your Osmo Nano. These clips, these nice red clips, are metal, and as you can see, they're pretty springy, but they do lock into place. What's super cool about this, these legs, they also fold on. So it does come with legs. So let's say if you want to attach it to, let's say, your traditional type of GoPro mount like this, you could simply drop your legs down, slide it in, and now you could screw this into whatever suction mount you may have or you may want, simply and easily, just like that. Or if you want, if for some reason this appeals to you a little bit more, it has a 1/4" screw on the bottom. You simply turn your 1/4" in and literally do the exact same thing that you would do with the legs that it actually come with, which would be attach a different mount to it, if that is what you're trying to do. So you could either use an attachment like this, or you could use the legs that it actually comes with. The choice is yours. All we do on this channel is provide you with options and choices. So as I said, comes with the legs, but also comes with a 1/4" mount attachment. What's really good about this is it attaches quickly to your Osmo Nano, just like that. It attaches to the screen, and obviously it attaches to your mount, your actual camera, just like that. I literally did a track day with these. I might actually put a link to my second channel so you could see a video from that track day. We were driving around the track in a Porsche GT3, a Porsche GT3 RS, doing speeds of excess of 150 miles on the streets, and literally these stayed in place, no problems, no issues, because it's very well built. This is a new brand that I have not really done much use or using of the actual products, but so far this is the first product that I've actually gotten from them, the Flymile Osmo Nano Metal Quick Release, and so far I would say works very well. Actually works very, very, very well. As I said, quickly attaches to your device. You have your legs, you have your 1/4". It's extremely sturdy, does not fall, doesn't actually pop out unless you press the clip, and even if you press one side of the clip, it still keeps the other side locked into place. So you literally have to press the two sides to get it to pop off. So again, very good device. So if you're looking for a quick attachment for your Osmo Nano that's metal and not plastic, I gotta recommend the Flymile. For some reason that's giving me a little bit of a tongue twister. The Flymile quick attachment for your Osmo Nano. You gotta admit, it's pretty dope, right? Until next time.